Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and today I'm doing nails for my friend Luba. You know, hard days of pandemic and bad economic situation, all this forced this poor woman to come back to her old broken house. I didn't give her infills for the long period. As you know, I did these nails for free for that poor woman. But she did a lot. She burned 2 children, and all of them are healthy. It was really a miracle for all of us because her health is not good, and all doctors said that she couldn't give healthy child. But she did it. And sometimes some people say that when God is giving you something, it's the same time takes something too. And her husband now has serious problems with his health. He has hard form of hepatitis. But it's very interesting that he didn't give her the same disease because they were in steady contact. I know that this is miracle too, but Luba didn't tell me about this disease of his husband. I was in shock too of this news. Now he is in hospital and she's sitting at home. She has small benefits from the government for 2 children, for small children. And of course she can't dream about new set of gel nails. Of course guys, if you want me to do nails for Luba, you can ask me down in the comments if you are interested in new designs and to help that woman with something amazing. I also didn't ask for money for this woman, and I will never do that because we had some money from views and I donated her with such presents. This woman made the revolution in someone's heads, because we should not only think about coronavirus or other problems that are actual, but we should also think about poor people, about violence and violence against women, because her previous husband, 2 previous husbands, were beating her all the time, and she left her one eye, and a lot of bones were broken by those bad guys. She also got in hospital, and also they forced her to drink vodka with them. What can I say, guys, about this situation? I can only say that we should think not about all these problems like pandemic, coronavirus. We should help people who got in such serious situations, because in these situations they also give birth to a child, to children, help people, because I know that a lot of rich people don't help anybody. But such poor people always would help you or help someone. It's very easy. You can ask for example, Luba to make something for you, to give you the money, and she would definitely give you something, because that's the character of this woman. And we shouldn't judge this woman looking on her hands, looking, for example, on her dirty hands because of coal, because these hands were not cleaned or washed properly. I don't know why a lot of people are so rude, because maybe this way they want to forget about their personal problems. When I did the first set for this woman for free, I decided to make the publication in the my new YouTube nail channel, of course with agree when we agree that I publish it. And I also asked her to tell her story, and she agreed, and she told me some facts about her life. After I published this video on YouTube channel, and we had more than 5 million of views. It was unbelievable for me and for many people, for many of my friends, because I showed this video to my friends, and she told that you are the star of YouTube. No, I answered that I'm the star. I'm not the star of YouTube. Luba is star of YouTube, and she became the star. And I also refused the bottom of YouTube because I don't think I think that I'm not worthy for this bottom, and I think that Luba made this channel, and a lot of people around, they supported Luba by their views, by their comments, and it made something for her. It helped her in difficult situation, and of course we can also tell that it helped her to give birth to the second child, and it's amazing. And I think that when you hear the next news from me that I want to tell you, you would never believe that. So guys, listen to it. The Luba is waiting for the third child. It's unbelievable, but it's true. So I decided to make this video to tell you about it. It's amazing, and I think that many people in the world should know her, because sometimes they think that it's not easy to live, and not easy to live in the hard disease, hard problems. But some people like Luba never bring down, never stop, and never worry about their lives, and they just live and think about good things. I called her and suggested to make the new set of nails with something special, with something beautiful, colorful. Of course, it would be the perfect nail design. Also, I want to ask you guys, what do you want to see on Luba's nails? What's the shape and what the nail design? What kind of shape? Maybe you send me some ideas. It would be great, and of course we will come true. We will create something, some your thoughts, some your ideas. I don't know who would help her to raise 3 kids, but I think that God would help her to do it, and we all also will help her with our good comments and with our views. I just want to continue the tradition of transformations of Luba's nails. Now she has the short time of pregnancy, and she is able to work with children, to do housework. I hope that her husband will be well, and he comes back to help her to raise children. You know, guys, it's not so easy when you live in the broken house with holes in the walls, especially when you live on the northern places like Karelia. Have you heard about this region? Karelia is something like Siberia. It's cold. There are a lot of forests where live bears, wolves. We have a lot of snow. For example, the last year there was snow more than upper than the roof of the small houses. All these small houses, they have the gas, and people have to. A lot of people use wood or coal burning stoves. Then sometimes when you are walking on the street of the village or the street where a lot of houses, small houses, there are a lot of smoke and not easy to breathe. And for example, in this summer there were a lot of forest fires and there are a lot of smoke. So, when people have all these situations and problems, they even don't think about illness, pandemic situations, and sometimes they didn't wear face masks because they have more serious problems than COVID-19. And for example, in small towns, people even don't wear masks when they come to the shop, and there are a lot of people in the shop without masks. It's normal. Of course, this is the good thing that our government does everything to instill people, give them vaccine. But I have a good news for us. If we are still alive, that means we will struggle with the coronavirus in future, because people are stronger than all this shit. I will publish more videos about Luba. I will do some more free sets for her to make her happier and help her to struggle with these situations. If you like Luba, you just can support her with a comment. All you need is write some thoughts about it down in the comments. And it would help you not just to come new ideas true, but also increase views of this video, and it really helps Luba. What do you think about this amazing nail design? Do you like these vibrant colors of kiwi? I think all we need now is to have rest on the beach by the ocean with a large plate of good tropic fruits and champagne, the glass of champagne. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.